Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is just a follow on from my nail prep video, and this is how I size up my tips and how I will shape them to the ballerina slash coffin shape. So the tips that I'm using are by Glitterbels, and it's the square matte finish tips. They're so easy to use, they're ultra fine, they don't give you thick nails, and they're wellless, so there's no need to blend them, although you will see in this video I do actually go in and blend them ever so slightly, but I'll explain why when we're at that part of the video. So you can see in the bottom left hand corner of the screen I'm actually applying my dehydrator before I put the nail tips on, and of course the glue that I'm using is Glitterbels base glue, which I find, you know, it's great for putting tips on, putting your rhinestones on. Yeah, it's you can use it for a lot of different things. So this thumbnail, I actually applied a bit too much glue. That's why it was a little bit hard for it to stick. It's not a problem if you do that, just, you know, you will have to hold it in place that wee bit longer. So now that I have my tips on, this is how I would shape them to the coffin or ballerina shape. So I take a pair of scissors and basically I cut down the sides of the nails just to get the shape that I want. You can also do this if you want stiletto nails. You would just do the cut, oh my goodness, I can't even get my words out. You would just do your cut a bit more pointed. Just be careful as well when you are doing this cut that you're not cutting down past the natural free edge, because you don't want to go into the side walls of the natural nail, because that is going to affect the structure of your tip. So really just down to where the natural free edge is, that's where you're just going to make that cut to. Another thing I love about these Glitterbel nail tips is they come out nice and straight from the nail bed. They don't tend to curve down the way some of the other tips do. So I love the way the lower arch in this is really, really straight. So of course it wouldn't be one of my videos when I didn't have a whipsie. So I actually hit this nail whenever I was reaching down to pick my nail file up, so I've had to re-glue it. Okay, so that's the nails all shaped up. I said earlier that they're Wellis tips and you don't need to actually blend them, but it's just a habit of mine. I prefer working on a completely smooth surface. So I'm just going in with my e-file and a ceramic nail drill bit just to smooth that out just ever so slightly. And there we go, that's the tips all filed, shaped, blended. If you want to. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.